Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start franchise with fantasy draft in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. So first of all, just go to franchise and select the option create/load. Select create new league. And over here, doesn't matter if you go for offline or online. I'm gonna choose online. Right here, you can use the option roster file if you wanna use the custom roster just like me. But before that, you need to load the custom roster if you have one. Like you have to load your custom roster from the menu, and then you can simply select the option roster file. They'll start importing your roster, so wait for a few seconds. Next, you need to choose the team. I'm gonna select Lions. Next, choose the coach type. I'm just simply use the real life NFL coach. And yeah, here you can see we have the option starting point. We can simply select that option to choose fantasy draft, and now you can simply start playing fantasy draft. So select the option, select continue, and yeah, there you go. Here we have the option to start the fantasy draft. You can simply select the option to start your fantasy with fantasy draft. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.